In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IF function in Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through a simple example so you can understand how this function works and how to apply it in your own spreadsheet. The IF function is useful when you want Excel to check whether something is true or false, and then return one result if it's true and a different result if it's false. It's one of the most practical formulas for organizing and evaluating data. To begin, open your Excel workbook. Use the workbook where you want to apply the IF function. Once it's open, prepare your sample data so you have something to test with the formula. In this example, the formula will evaluate student scores and determine whether each score should be marked as pass or fail. Next, click on cell C2. This is where we want the result to appear. Now type the formula carefully. Start with an equal sign, then type IF, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the condition B2 greater than or equal to 75, then type a comma. Next, type pass inside quotation marks, add another comma, and then type fail inside quotation marks. Finally, close the parenthesis. The full formula should check whether the value in cell B2 is at least 75. If it is, Excel will display pass. If not, Excel will display fail. Before moving on, it's helpful to know that this formula is flexible. You can change the passing score by replacing 75 with a different number. You can also replace the words pass and fail with any text you want Excel to return. And if the value you want to test is in another location, simply change B2 to the correct cell reference. Once the formula looks correct, press enter. You should now see the result in cell C2. Excel has evaluated the score and returned the appropriate outcome based on the condition you set. Now let's apply the same formula to the rest of the rows. Select cell C2 again, then move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the fill handle, which is the small square there. Click and drag it down to cell C4. Excel will automatically copy the formula to the remaining rows and adjust the cell references for each row, which saves time and keeps everything consistent. You can now review the results in the column. Each row will show whether the score meets the passing condition or not. And that's it. You now know how to use the IF function in Microsoft Excel.